Hello guys, this is Vish and you're watching Learn Basics. So in Excel there is an option called camera. Okay, maybe most of you people are not aware with this function that in Excel we have an option called camera and which is very useful. So in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can use it and how it is useful for you. So stay watching, do not go anywhere.
So guys, before I proceed the video to important points, you'll get videos into different language, Hindi and English. Second, don't forget to subscribe to learn something new. So let's start video and let's see that how we can use camera option in MS Excel. So you won't get camera option available by default in your ribbon. As you can see, there so many commands are available, but you won't get camera option here. Okay, you need to add it. Okay, so how we can add it? We'll click here. As you can see, the window sign is given there left hand side. Okay, click on that. So this will open. Here we will click Excel option. As you can see, it is here now. Click on that. In Excel, this window will open. Okay. So here you will get left hand side you will get multiple options: popular, formula, proofing, saving, advanced, and customization, add-ins, trust, enter, and resources. Okay, so here we will click customize. So this window will open when you will click customize. In this window, as you can see, the popular command is given to you. Popular commands are those commands which by default given in your ribbon. Okay, you don't need to add that. So we'll click here, and as you can see, this option is available. Commands not in the ribbon means those commands which are not given in your ribbon by default. Okay, so click on that. So when you will click, some commands will given to you. Okay, so here you need to search that where is the camera option. So as you can see, here is the camera option. Click on that, and now click add. As you can see, it is here. Click add. So as you can see, that camera option is showing to you in this box. Okay, now let's press OK, and as you can see, when you will press OK, so as you can see, the camera option is given here. Okay. So let's check out that how we can use it. Suppose this is a small data which you can see on my Excel home page. Okay, select this data, click camera option. So when you will click camera option, it will take a snap of selected data. Okay, now press another sheet and paste here. So when you will paste here, as you can see, the data which we have clicked in first sheet is now pasted in third sheet. Okay, so it is like an image. It is not like that you have pasted a column and rows here. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size according to your choice. So this camera option is more useful when you try to take a snap of your graph. So when you prepare a graph in Excel, so you can, if you wanted to take a snap of that, so you can take that and wherever you want you can paste it out. Okay, so in such cases it is very helpful and very useful. So guys, this is how you can use the camera option and you can increase your Excel efficiency. In case of any question related to that, write in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. We'll meet in the next interesting tutorial. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye.